On this class, guys, I'm gonna explain how much money you need to invest for starting on this business at the beginning, okay? So whenever you register on eBay, and we will go with that in the next class, okay? You will have about 50 listings for free that you can list in your shop, okay? That is for free. But you also can subscribe to a starter subscription, which includes 100 listings, and you will be paying $7.95 per month, okay? Let's talk about the repricing software. We will use AutoDS on this course, and AutoDS can cost about $7.99 per month for 100 listings as well, okay? That's the price that I recommend you to start with, but there is an option where you can start for $1 on the first month or something like that. We will come into that later. But yeah, as you can see, there are good offers. But the main important thing that I need you to understand on this class is about PayPal jail. Okay, what is PayPal jail? Well, whenever you have your shop ready and you start making sales, you can come with this kind of situation where you are gonna see something like this right here, okay? Like this payment. This payment was made by a client on eBay, a client who paid for an item on eBay, which is this item, this sale, okay? What happened then? Well, it happens that eBay doesn't know anything about you. They don't know anything about you, so it's hard that they can trust you at first, right? So what they do is that for sales who are over $20, $25 more or less, eBay is gonna ask PayPal to hold your money until they are gonna make sure that you deliver the item to the client, okay? So this on hold quantity is gonna stay like that until I can prove that the item is on its way to the client. I can prove that by just adding the tracking number of every order in your orders page. You will be adding tracking numbers for your orders, and whenever eBay can confirm these tracking numbers, they will release this payment in your PayPal account, okay? So that means if you update tracking numbers, you shall be getting these accounts which are on hold. You shall be getting them in the next 2 or 3 business days, okay? But if you don't set any tracking numbers about your orders, some people do that because I don't know that. Well, this is not my style at all, and I will show you how to add tracking numbers to become the best seller possible. So yes, if you don't update tracking numbers, this money would take about 21 days as a maximum time to be released in your account. But as I said, that ain't gonna happen, okay? You will be updating your tracking numbers, so you will be getting your money as fast as possible. And there is another option, as I said, and yeah, we got right here this example. As I said, no, this one, yeah, this one. As I said before, this payment was held by eBay because it was higher, or it was over $25 more or less. But for those orders that are below $25, eBay is not gonna ask PayPal to hold this money. So for all these items that are cost less than $25 in your shop, you will be getting the money instantly in your PayPal account, and you will be able to use that money to purchase for the products and send them to the buyer to your client on eBay, okay? So that means that even if you don't have a lot of money to start with this, you still could be adding items in your account, adding items in your eBay shop that are not over $25, and those items will be sold, and those items will be, and that money will be sent to your PayPal account directly without being on hold, okay? And without you having to wait for this money to be released in your account. So that's another approach that you have. You may be starting your eBay account and you may be adding a lot of items, like 100 items, and getting all the money from your sales directly to your PayPal account, so you can use them to pay for the products, to purchase for the products, to sell, to send these products to your clients on eBay. Okay, that's what I wanted to explain about this PayPal jail. The only thing it's left to say is that this PayPal jail is gonna be removed after 3 months, and whenever you prove on these 3 months, it has to pass 3 months, and you need to prove that on these 3 months you had more than $250 on sales. That means that if, for example, I have $76, I just created this account and I have 2 sales, I have to reach up to $250 on the next 3 months, and then every single quantity, even if it's $1,000 quantity that comes into PayPal because I got a sale, it will go directly into my PayPal account, and it will not be on hold anymore. Okay, but for that you need 3 months to prove to eBay that you are a reliable seller. Okay, that's all. You need to prove that you are good, and you need to prove that you are going to use this money that is getting to you to pay for these products. Okay, you need to prove to them that you are not getting away with the money. Okay, that's all. And yes, so this is 3 months and a minimum of $250 on sales in that 3 months. After that, PayPal jail will be removed, and you will be able to get any quantity directly into your account here on PayPal. Okay, so having said that, yeah, let's move now to the next class, and let's start with this amazing course.